Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel where we simplify your online shopping experience. Today, I am going to show you how to easily remove a payment card from your Zara account. So let's get started. Let's begin from the home screen of our mobile phone. Open your Zara application and make sure you are already logged into your account. So as we all know, managing our payment method is super important, especially if you are uploading your card or want to keep your account secure. Removing an old card from your Zara account is quick and straightforward. So, at first, you have to tap onto the profile icon from the down bar of your screen. Once you are in your profile interface, you have to tap onto the payment method. As you can see, I have not saved any cards, but in your case, you might have saved many credit or debit cards. Find the card you want to remove and click or tap the delete or remove button next to it. Confirm the action when prompted. Once done, you will see a confirmation message that the card has been successfully removed. And that's it. I hope this quick tutorial helped you out. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more tips and guides. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.